English conversation practice. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. We are really happy you decided to spend this time with us today.
Yeah, honestly, knowing you're listening right now makes this feel calm and personal already.
All right everyone. If this is your first time here, please feel comfortable. This space is made for learning without pressure.
And if you have been here before, welcome back. It's always nice to have you with us again.
On this channel, we focus on English that sounds real, natural, and easy to enjoy.
Not fast English, not perfect English, just English you can slowly get used to.
So, wherever you are right now, just relax, listen, and let the language flow.
You don't need to understand everything. Just feeling the sound is enough.
A friendly reminder, if you enjoy learning English like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Subscribing really helps you stay connected and catch new episodes easily.
Warm appreciation. And if this video feels helpful, a simple like means a lot to us.
You can also share it with a friend who's learning English too.
Learning together always feels easier and more motivating.
Thank you for supporting the channel and being part of this journey.
Today's topic is very simple but very important: speaking English naturally.
Yeah, we will share small tips and ideas that make speaking easier.
And we will show that you don't need perfect grammar to start.
Just small sentences, your voice, and a little courage.
Speaking English often feels scary at first.
Yeah, your mind races, your heart beats faster, and you hesitate.
That's completely normal. Everyone feels that when starting.
Even native speakers pause sometimes, more than people notice.
Pauses are part of real conversation. It's okay to stop and think.
I noticed that slowing down helps my words come naturally.
And slow speaking helps your pronunciation and confidence.
Yeah, fast talking often makes learners more nervous.
You don't need to rush at all.
Just one word, one sentence, or even a simple hello counts.
Real speaking begins with small steps, nothing fancy.
Even repeating phrases you hear in videos works really well.
Yes, repeating lets your mouth and brain learn at the same time.
And hearing your own voice slowly builds confidence.
Mistakes don't matter here. Every attempt counts.
I've made many mistakes myself, and it's okay.
Mistakes are proof that you're trying, and trying is progress.
Progress grows from action, not waiting for perfection.
Exactly. Perfection can actually block your voice.
So start speaking, even if it's a little awkward.
Even one simple conversation today is more valuable than hours of studying alone.
Short practice every day adds up faster than long practice once in a while.
And speaking slowly and calmly is much better than speaking perfectly.
Your voice feels stronger when your voice feels relaxed.
A calm voice helps your brain too.
And your confidence rises naturally when the voice flows.
Pauses, breaths, and smiles all help speaking feel real.
Smiling even while speaking makes a big difference.
And it's fun too. It makes learning enjoyable.
Enjoyment is key for long-term learning.
Another tip is listening actively. Your brain picks up patterns even if you're not repeating yet.
Listening helps you hear rhythm, stress, and natural flow.
Then, when you repeat, it feels much easier.
And your sentences will sound more natural without extra effort.
So, listen, repeat, speak a little every day.
Even a single phrase is progress.
English is not a race, it's a journey.
Enjoy the journey, even with small steps.
Confidence grows when you stop comparing yourself to others.
Focus on your own voice, your own progress.
Your accent is natural. Don't worry about sounding like a native speaker.
Accents make English human and interesting.
Every accent tells a story of effort and practice.
Pride in your voice matters more than perfect pronunciation.
And listeners usually understand more than you think.
So speak, laugh, and don't be afraid of small mistakes.
They are part of the learning experience.
And every mistake helps your confidence grow a little.
Speaking a little imperfectly is far better than staying silent.
So today, let's all try speaking one sentence out loud.
Okay, everyone. Now let's take a short break. Try simple daily phrases like greeting people or asking, "How are you?"
Even if it's short, saying it daily builds habit.
And writing it first helps, then saying it out loud.
Writing can feel safe, speaking feels brave.
Bravery is small steps repeated every day.
And each small step adds to your confidence.
Don't worry about long sentences yet.
Short, clear sentences sound natural and are easy to remember.
Your brain learns patterns better from repetition than long paragraphs.
And your mouth learns faster with smaller phrases.
Speak to yourself sometimes. Pretend you're chatting with a friend.
Even one sentence to yourself helps your voice feel normal.
You can also record your voice and listen back.
Listening helps you notice improvements, and it's motivating.
Real conversation grows from small, simple actions.
And confidence comes from doing, not thinking too much.
Mistakes are signs that you're practicing, not failing.
I've made plenty myself, and it always helps.
Every small attempt strengthens your English voice.
That's why we encourage you to speak out loud daily.
Listen, repeat, speak, one step at a time.
Even saying, "Hello, how are you?" counts as practice.
And every phrase you try brings more confidence.
Confidence grows quietly. You might not notice it at first.
But one day, you'll speak without thinking too hard.
That moment feels natural and really exciting.
And that's the beauty of speaking English.
It's not about perfection, it's about connection.
Connection with people, words, and yourself.
That's why we love speaking, and why you should too.
Another helpful idea is using English in your daily routine.
Simple moments, like morning greetings or short thoughts.
You can speak while cooking, walking, or relaxing.
No audience needed, just your voice.
This helps English feel normal, not special or scary.
When something feels normal, fear slowly disappears.
That's why small habits are so powerful.
They change how your brain feels about speaking.
Instead of, "I must speak perfectly," think, "I can try."
That small change makes a big difference.
You can also practice with very short questions.
Questions like, "How was your day?" or "What is this?"
Questions open conversations naturally.
And usually people help you answer.
You don't need long explanations.
Simple communication works surprisingly well.
And understanding grows step by step.
One clear message is better than many confusing ones.
That's real communication.
And that's real speaking practice.
Some days will feel easy, others will feel harder.
That's normal in any learning process.
Don't judge your progress by one bad day.
Look at the bigger picture instead.
If you keep speaking, improvement will come.
Even when you don't notice it yet.
Progress likes to arrive quietly.
And then suddenly, speaking feels easier.
Trust the process and your effort.
You're doing better than you think.
Listening again and again also helps speaking.
Repetition makes sounds feel familiar.
Familiar sounds feel easier to say.
And easier speaking feels more confident,
Confidence grows naturally this way.
without forcing anything.
Let English enter your life slowly.
Like a guest who becomes a friend.
That's a nice way to think about it.
Yeah, friendly and relaxed.
Try not to compare yourself with others.
Everyone learns at a different speed.
Your journey is yours alone.
And it's perfectly okay that way.
Focus on your own voice today.
Even one sentence spoken is enough.
That sentence matters.
It always does.
And tomorrow you can say another one.
Step by step, calmly.
Learning English should not feel heavy or stressful.
It should feel useful and enjoyable.
Enjoyment keeps you practicing longer.
And longer practice brings better results.
Find topics you enjoy talking about.
Music, food, hobbies, or daily life.
Speaking about things you like feels easier.
And your voice sounds more natural.
That natural feeling is what we want.
Not perfection, just comfort.
You can even smile while speaking.
Smiling changes how your voice sounds.
It adds warmth and confidence.
And people feel that when they listen.
English is about connection, not performance.
Connection matters more than grammar.
Grammar improves naturally with use.
Speaking helps grammar, not the other way around.
That's an important idea to remember.
It really helps reduce pressure.
If you feel tired, take a break.
Rest is part of learning too.
A relaxed mind learns faster.
Stress only slows things down.
So be kind to yourself.
You deserve patience and encouragement.
We believe in steady, gentle progress.
Progress that feels good inside.
And progress that lasts.
That's the best kind.
Speaking English is a journey you don't walk alone.
Many learners share the same feelings.
Shyness, fear, excitement, hope.
All of it is part of learning.
Let yourself feel those emotions.
And keep speaking anyway.
Your voice deserves to be heard.
Even if it shakes a little at first.
That shaking means growth.
Growth always feels like that.
Every sentence you speak is a small victory.
Celebrate those moments quietly.
They build confidence over time.
Confidence you can really feel.
And that confidence stays with you.
Even outside of English learning.
Speaking builds courage in many areas.
That's a beautiful bonus.
And a powerful one.
Definitely worth the effort.
As we slowly reach the end of today's episode,
We want to remind you of one thing.
you don't need to rush your learning.
Slow progress is still progress.
Speaking English is about feeling comfortable.
Comfortable with your voice and your pace.
Try speaking one sentence today,
Just one is enough.
and tomorrow you can try another.
That's how habits are built.
If you enjoyed learning with us today,
Please remember to like this video.
and subscribe to the channel for more episodes.
Your support helps us continue creating content like this,
You can also share this video with a friend.
especially someone learning English too,
Learning together always feels easier.
and more enjoyable.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
We truly appreciate it,
Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep speaking.
even when it feels difficult.
Your effort matters more than you know.
And it will bring results.
Little by little, day by day.
That's how real progress happens.
We believe in you,
Truly,
and we're glad you're here with us.
always.
All right, that's all for today's episode.
Take care and keep enjoying your English journey.
Speak a little, smile a little.
And don't forget to be kind to yourself.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Thanks for listening.
Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.
Keep practicing.
And keep believing.
Your voice matters.
More than you think.
See you soon.
See you.
Take care.
Stay comfortable.
Stay confident.
And enjoy learning.
Goodbye for now.
Bye and happy speaking.